Hello guys, I am Mr. Jahan. Welcome to my another video. Today I'll show you how you can decorate your wall very beautifully. So before I started my video, I want to say something that if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share my videos, and please hit on the like button. So let's get started. Before you started this decoration, you need to hard black paper and draw a girl in this and cut it out. You can draw anything else as you want. It will look great, so I draw that. Cut this sketch in a perfect shape. Now this is done, and this time for this eyes. After you cutting this, it will look like that one. Now I am going to cut some flowers. First you need a small color paper and fold it up. After that you need to cut this in a small piece. It will look like a leaf. After that it will look like a flower. Now I'm going to draw a butterfly. For that, first you need to draw it. After the drawing is finished, you need to cut this butterfly. Now when all of this done, you need some more flowers and butterflies. Now I'm going to decorate these flowers, which will look like a dress. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share it on your favorite platform.